Hey, in this video, I will show you how to disable pop-up blocker on an iPhone. It's something that you probably want off for some cases. For example, if the website that you're using has pop-ups, you need a pop-up to log in. This is an issue that can be fixed on any iPhone. So I'll show you how you can do that. If you appreciate me making a video just like this that's updated for 2021, make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. And by the way, comment down below, which country are you watching this video from? I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is go over to the settings on your iPhone, click on settings, and here you want to find Safari. So Safari should be somewhere around here, below passwords, phone, messages, FaceTime, Safari. It's in A to Z. Sometimes it's A to Z. So Safari should be here. Click on Safari. When it loads up, you want to find the block pop-ups function. Here it is, normally on the first screen. Under general, it says block pop-ups. You just want to have it off. And this is pretty much all that needs to happen. I really hope this video helped you out. I have it on generally just switching it to off for some websites. So if you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below, especially within the first few days of the upload. I try to reply to every single comment. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.